Struggling to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. It feels like a huge mountain to climb, right? Well, today I'm going to share 3 pro tips that will get you there faster than you think. First, nail your niche. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Focus on a specific topic you're passionate about. This makes it easier for the right audience to find you and hit that subscribe button. Second, create binge-worthy content. Plan your videos in a series or a playlist. When someone finishes one video, they'll immediately want to watch the next. This boosts watch time and tells YouTube your channel is valuable. Finally, promote smart, not hard. Share your videos in relevant online communities, forums, or Facebook groups where your ideal audience hangs out. Provide value first, then share your link. Combine these 3 strategies, and you'll be celebrating 1,000 subscribers in no time. If teas help it, hit like and subscribe for more tips.